Let's be honest, most of us did not buy insurance. We were sold insurance by a cousin, by a banker, or an overly confident guy in a blazer that said, "ये ले लो, बहुत फायदा होगा." And now 5 years later, we are still wondering what we actually signed for. Is it an insurance? Is it an investment? Or is it just a very expensive Excel sheet with our name on it? And the worst part, nobody even explained it to us properly. We just nodded and signed because it felt like a responsible thing to do. It's not a scam, it's just confusing. Look, insurances in India aren't a scam. They're just overly complicated. And why does everything sound like a medical condition? ULIP, endowment, they all sound intelligent. But when you ask someone what they actually means, they give very vague answers. It's an investment like insurance product, so return bhi milega, long term mein safe bhi hai, which means nothing. So we end up buying policies we don't need for goals we never defined just because somebody said safe hai. Too many promises, nothing delivered. Most traditional plans try to be everything. They promise life cover, tax benefits, guaranteed returns. बस Netflix का सब्सक्रिप्शन देना ही बाकी है. But when you do the math, they give you 4 to 5% return over a tenure of 20 to 30 years. It's like buying a Swiss Army knife and just using it for nail filer. You're stuck for years, your money is growing lesser than inflation, and when it finally matures, it feels so underwhelming. ULIPs aren't evil. They're just misused. ULIPs got a bad reputation, but they aren't actually evil. They're just misunderstood. If you hold them for a long term, actively manage the fund, and actually link them to your goals, they will work in your favor. But most people, they treat ULIPs like FDs. Pay it once and then forget about it. Then 5 years later, they check their statements and wonder why the returns are barely visible. That's not a product issue. That's a fit issue. It's like buying a DSLR and you're going to click the food photo with a phone. Term insurance. Now, if you actually want to protect your family, you need a term insurance. It's simple, it's cheap, and it actually works. 1 crore cover for 700 rupees a month. That's it. No drama. And the money you save, invest it anywhere that suits your goals. Mutual funds, ELSS, anything that works for you. But most people don't even know about term insurance, primarily because nobody is selling it aggressively. Reason being, no high commissions, so no pitch. And that's where FinCart is different. We are not here to sell you a shiny brochures with 50 benefits and 3 asterisks. We start by asking you real stuff. Why are you investing? What are your goals? How long do you have? Do you want liquidity? Are you protecting your family? Are you building wealth? Or do you want a combination? Once we know that, picking a product is actually easy. Because the confusion comes from trying to fit a product to your life when it should be the other way around. So next time somebody tries to pitch you a magical product that gives you high return, protection, and possibly a free Bluetooth speaker, does this actually fit my life, or am I just signing up to make sure somebody else's targets are met? Insurance isn't a scam. But buying it blindly, that's where the problem starts. And clarity, that's free, especially with FinCart.